Hello my dear student, Algebra lecture number 4, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. In this lecture I am going to explain you some example from practice set 2.1. Example number 3. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now factorize this given equation by factorization method, and therefore you split up 13 into coefficient of y square 2. So 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 26 you split up such that addition is equal to 27. So 26 is equal to 26 into 1 and addition is equal to 27, and therefore 26 plus and 1 also plus. Okay, now then you write down 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now make two group. From this group you take 2y common into bracket y plus 13 plus here you take 1 common into bracket y plus 13 is equal to 0. Then y plus 13, this bracket is common, so y plus 13, and in second bracket you write down 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore y plus 13 is equal to 0, or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore y is equal to minus 13 and 2y is equal to minus 1, and therefore y is equal to minus 1 upon 2, and therefore minus 13 or minus 1 upon 2 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Example number 4. 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. So first you write down your equation in standard form. So solution: 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15, and therefore 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Then split up this minus 15 into 5, that is minus 75, such that subtraction is equal to 22. So I split up this minus 75 into minus 25 into plus 3. So in this case you remember the greater number sign is this sign. So minus, therefore 25 is what? Minus. And then sign of this you adjust. Here you want product is what? Minus 75, and therefore this sign is positive. Negative into positive gives you what? Negative. Okay. Then therefore 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now make two groups. So here you take 5m common into bracket m minus 5 plus here you take 3 common into bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0, and therefore m minus 5 and in second bracket 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, and therefore m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, and therefore m is equal to 5 or 5m is equal to minus 3, therefore m is equal to minus 3 upon 5, and hence 5 and minus 3 upon 5 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, now then example number 5. 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. First you simplify this by multiplying by 2 throughout. So solution 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0, multiplying by 2 throughout. That means both the side. So if I multiply by 2, this is 4x square minus 4x plus 1, these two get cancelled, is equal to 0. And then you split up this 1 into 4, that is 4, such that their addition is equal to minus 4. So 2 into 2 is what, 4, and the sign, now here the both two numbers are what, similar, but you want product what, positive, therefore this is negative and this is negative. So if you add these two, you will get minus 4. And therefore 4x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now make two group. From this group you take 2x common, into bracket 2x minus 1 minus 1, here no common, therefore minus 1 is common, take minus 1 common, into bracket 2x, this sign you change, minus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore 2x minus 1, and in second bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to, this you transfer on this side, and 2 in the denominator, x is equal to 1 upon 2, x is equal to 1 upon 2, and therefore 1 upon 2 is root of the quadratic equation. Okay, now in this case roots are what, equal. Then I will explain you example number 6. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Now this you simplify, because this is not in what, quadratic form, but if you simplify this you will have quadratic form. Okay, now then subtract these two, equalize the denominator. So solution 6x minus 2x is equal to 1. Now in this case multiplying by x throughout. So here I multiply by x. So 6x square minus 2, this x and this x get cancelled, 2 is equal to 1 into x, that is x. So 6x square, this x you transfer on this side, minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, and then you split up 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12, such that their subtraction is equal to 1. Okay, now minus 12 I split up 4 and 3, and I fix the sign, greater number is 4, so greater number sign is this sign, minus, so minus 4, I want product minus 12, and therefore this is what, positive, so minus 4 and what, plus 3. Then write down 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Make two groups. From this group you take 2x common, into bracket 3x minus 2 plus, here no common, that means 1 is common, take plus 1 common, into bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, in second bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to, these two you transfer on this side, 3 in the denominator, therefore x is equal to 2 upon 3. Similarly x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, and hence 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, then I will explain you one more example. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now then solution root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So I split up this into this, that means root 2 into 5 root 2, that is equal to 10. I split up 10 such that their addition is equal to 7. So I split up 10, 5 into 2, 5 plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay, is it clear? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, is it clear? And then you write down root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Make two groups. From this group you take root 2x common into bracket x plus root 2 plus here you take 5 common into bracket x plus root 2 is equal to 0, and therefore x plus root 2 and in second bracket root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0, and therefore x plus root 2 is equal to 0 or root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2, and therefore minus root 2 and minus 5 upon root 2 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any question put in comment box. Thank you. Take care.